Hey, come on, let's just press that red subscribe button and press that like button and also press that share button and share it with your Facebook friends, WhatsApp friends, and every kind of friend. Thank you. Now enjoy the video. As your favorite fidget. Pop it. Stress ball. Fidget spinner. Magnetic rings. Arby's. Show us your least favorite fidgets. Elephant squishy. Stretchable lightning sticks. A fidget that breaks very easily. A Rubik's Cube. Show us your favorite homemade fidget. A homemade marble mash. Homemade puppet or simple dimple, whatever you want to say. Show us your least favorite homemade fidgets. Fidgets that are actually not fidgets, but for you they are actually fidgets. Show us all of your fidgets. No. Show us the fidgets that are left. By the way, this is not a fidget too, but I make it as a fidget. If you want to see all of them fidgets, even these fidgets that are done, you have to like to this video and comment down below that you want a fidget haul. So, I hope you like this video. Bye.